Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Hadassah. Today I want to do a video about some new pieces that I'm adding to my collection. So today will be the unboxing session. So I have my jewelry item that arrived about a couple of days ago, and then I also have my purse as well. We can start with this. This is Mejuri. I did a testing on them. I bought just a couple products previously and have fell in love. They are beautiful and very delicate as well, that dainty design, and also it's a French design, so definitely want to try something that is French design for me since I love the French culture. So when opening this box, this little cute phrase that says "fancy seeing you here," so love that. And oh, also the earrings I'm wearing right now is also from Mejuri, and then I have another earrings there, but let's open and see. I just got a couple of items, and then this beautiful box that says Mejuri. I actually opened this and then I forgot to record, so this is just a redo. And then this one here is the ring. This is a gold vermeer ring. Now it is actually lighter than I expected. This is also a gold vermeer, but it's, you know, very gold. You can see the rich color. This, not so much. It's more like a light pale gold, so I don't like that light color, so I may need to return it, but it is pretty, definitely pretty. I don't think it's for me, so I'm definitely going to return this. If you have gotten yours, let me know if this is also a kind of pastel light gold for you all. If it is, then I guess that's normal, but if not, then that is not good. So now the earrings that I have here is also gold vermeer, so which is why I am questioning the color. But moving on to the necklace, and this is also gold vermeer, so the color is so drastic here. Look at that. This is like way lighter and this is gold, so definitely going to return this. I don't like it. But this is gorgeous. I like how it's not too small band, and also it's just this perfect length, perfect design. Very simple. So let's try on. Gorgeous. Now this is my style. I like this gold a lot. This one, not so much, so I am returning you. Alright, so I like this a lot, and I actually got an extender as well if I want my necklaces to be a bit longer. So the extender is right here somewhere. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. The extender is right over here, so it just say 10, I think 10 centimeters. This is just how long it is. So in case I want a bit longer, I can extend it to make it just a tad longer. So actually, let's do that. Going to attach it from here. And then attach it from to here and see how long that is. I wonder it's gonna be really long. Yeah, quite long. Okay, I do like the shorter one. Now we're just keeping it to the normal regular size. Alright, so I like this a lot actually. Perfect. Alright, so I am returning this back to here. And then I'm keeping these. And hopefully I can get a different ring from them. That was way too, the width was a bit too big as well for me. So, okay, moving on to the next one. Next one we have a purse from Polene bag. It is, oh my gosh, when I saw this online, I was so obsessed. It is gorgeous. It is this like simple minimalist design, very elegant and polished. So I definitely was wanting to get it at that moment. So I waited for a little bit. And also I got this because I wanted a black purse. So let's take a look and open it. I'm excited, really am. Take a look. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, this is how it comes. Wow. Ooh. There it is. And it says, so it's French, so I don't have to say it fully, Numero Dix, number 10. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous, nice quality. Love the shine in it. And then let's go ahead and open. I love the tissue bag. Wow. And I like the back that it has over here as well. I can store it if need be. And voila! There she is. Let's see here. Wow. Oh my gosh. Just so gorgeous. I love it. Okay. Let's take a look. So let me see what this is first. This must be an extra one for you to do body, yep, crossbody. Okay, so that's helpful. Let's open and see if it's gonna fit some good amount of items here. So let's take a look. it has really good room here. That's amazing. So the perfect size, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. And I love the leather style here. It's very smooth. It's a texture leather, but it's just the design is amazing. And I can make it stand, which is good. I don't like when my bag falls on the floor like that. And wow, the quality is just amazing. Love it so much. Let me try it on. And here we are gonna do some testing it out to see how it looks on me. Oh my god, so gorgeous. I love, 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 love it. Oh gosh. Okay, so by the shoulder like this, so it fits me right on the sides here, very light. And then I can do a crossbody when I'm traveling. Love it. And then this necklace here that I'm keeping, isn't it so gorgeous? Oh, I love it. Okay, so this is a win. Totally win. And the other purse that you probably have seen me worn a lot. This is the first testing product I got from Polene, and I love the design here. It's so unique and it's soft as well. Now, even though it's a light color, it is still clean and polished. I try to keep really good, take good care of my purses. And also, I like wearing light colors in the summer, so this works out perfectly. And now, they're in the same family, siblings. Oh my gosh, love it so much. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day. Bye.